down by Crescent Beach. Got a lot of friends in Sunshine Alley, never out of reach. Where the music's playing, the fir trees are swaying in the ocean breeze. The crows are squawking as we go walking. We dance and we sing and we do as we please. Come on down to Sunshine Alley, south of the railroad tracks. You'll meet some friends in Sunshine Alley, and you'll keep coming back. Well, I've been to Piccadilly and Times Square too, and even Robson Street. I'd rather be in Sunshine Alley any month of the year, any day of the So when you're back in the city and you just can't get away, have yourself a little daydream, listen for the serenade. Well, the music's playing, the fir trees are swaying in the ocean breeze. The crows are squawking as we go walking. We dance and we sing, and we do as we please.
We had a cat that used to be a feral cat like this. I like that people are feeding them. It's nice. Man, this would be a great place to sit. Look at you walk back there and look at the view. There was a lady pushing a baby in a carriage, and he was covered in a blanket except for his legs, just like that there. And every time, and he kept coughing, and every time he coughed, his little legs would do that. It was really cute. So all I could see was his legs moving, his little chubby feet.